smell of Chevrolet, they found the perfect mix. In the heart of New York City, the spark began to glow. The legend of the Mound City was ready for the show. 74 were thinkers with a vision clear and wide, gathered round the fiberglass to start a brand new ride. Oh, Mound City Corvette Club, hear the engine roar. Since 1966, we've been coming back for more. Join the National Council, we're a part of the pack. From the local showroom floor to the asphalt of the track. Preserve it and enjoy it, let the world see what we mean. The finest sports car history that the world has ever seen. The mission is the heartbeat, it's the fuel inside the tank. To preserve the classic beauty, we've got the past to thank. We race them through the corners, we showcase every line. America's first true sports car, aging just like wine. From the Stingrays to the Z06, the legacy is tall. The Mound City spirit is the greatest of them all. 60 years of